Guys, so I'm gonna be starting the locks on my son's hair. As you can see, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 little sections. And I'm going to interlock each section individually. That way, if we need to take a break or he needs to go to sleep because this is a long process, then it won't get intertwined with any other sections. His hair is about, take this ribbon out, about a good 1.5, maybe 2 inches now. And I'm going to go ahead and interlock because it's a good style. I think he's ready for some dreads. So I'll come back when I've done a little bit more. Alright, deuces. So I lied before. What I'm gonna do is braid his hair first, and when it gets older, as it gets older, I'm going to interlock his roots. I've done 2 rows thus far, and this is how long it is. So I was right about good 2 inches. So that's that. And I did start his hair off with doing the twist, and I'll insert a picture now. But what happened was, he's a kid. He's not going to wear his do-rag or his cap on his head every night, and the kids sleep wild and not going to keep it on all night. So it got fuzzy, and I would see or catch myself doing it maybe twice a week or just more often than what I should have been doing. So from this section, gonna have 3 rows of hair, and I've done this before, and it does promote growth. And I'll insert a picture of me doing it on another child's head before here. Game over. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what I do. Make sure you have 3 equal sections. Can you see that? 3 equal sections. And then start braiding. As you can see, this is a quicker process than interlocking just each section all the way through. If you do that, I applaud you because it is a long process. But with this method, with braiding the hair first, then interlocking as you go, it's gonna save you some time. And just twist the end. Let that go. Okay, let me do one more. And there's no need to use the comb. I use the comb, to part these sections the long way. But as far as the shorter way, there's absolutely no need to get a comb to part that. Do it if you feel like you want to. Do what's right for you. But I just part it with my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest and come back to you when I am completed. Alrighty, people. Well, it is nighttime, time for him to go to bed. He done ate dinner and everything, did his chores, and this is what I have completed thus far. Put it in sections just so it can be separated for now and not everywhere in the morning. What that mean, Damien? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections to do left, and I'll be doing those in the morning and showing you guys the completed version of his hair. All right, toodles, everyone. Say bye, Dede.
See you later.
Alright, so I am finished with his braid locks, and if you see, some sections are kind of bunched together, and that's due to, you know, him sleeping with the rubber bands last night. Okay, and here's the top, all finished. Okay, turn to the side. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing different styles, and I'm gonna update you on his journey, his braidlock journey. Alright, now I can say that this does take some time. It really does, but pace yourself and, you know, you'll be able to get it done. But okay, I do think this is another good alternative to locking your hair. Of course, you have the comb twist, you have 2-strand twist, you have a lot of different options, interlocking as well. And I just felt that the interlocking process was going to take way too long for me to do, and you know, I know he would get tired of sitting here anyway. We took numerous amount of breaks with this process as well. But like I said, this is another alternative to getting dreads. So we'll be updating you on his braid lock journey. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.